Welcome to InzTron. How are you? Well, today we're talking about GTA 5 game, and there's a GTA 5 game is 120 GB, but in here there's a ultra light version. This is only for 15 GB. GTA 5, just like surprise and also amazing. There's full credit goes to Opti project. You can check out also, and I provide a full setup how to play this game and which pros and cons in this game. There is a really work on your phone if you have a low-end device, and also have a 4 GB RAM. This all other stuff I provide you full information. But if you're new here, then subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram. If you play this game, there are two options. If you play in Android, first option is Game Hub and second is Winlator. And first option I don't recommend it you because of there is some bugs and so much crashing. Then we will go to a Winlator. Okay, how will set up? There's a Ludashi 2.72 version, there's a latest version, and if you have a low-end device then work also. You will be choose a Ludashi Bionic. There's a optimized performing in your phone. Okay, let's set up this emulator. Whenever you open a Winlator Ludashi version, then you see allow screen, and you can allow it, and then there's a installing system file, and there's some little bit time to complete this. Go to setting, and there's a box 64%. If you click here, then you can click performance, and second option is FVX core present. Then you can click performance, and scroll down. You can also enable a dark mode. Then scroll down, there's a cursor speed, you can increase 200%, and there's a done. And then you go to a input controller. There's a very important part. You can choose a virtual gamepad, but there's a scroll down in import file. You click a import file and some download file. If you have download, then so much virtual emulator. There is a GTA 5.icp. you can click it and it's completed, and we will go to a big picture mode. There's a screen test. Okay, just go to hair setting and just scroll down, and there's some option wave gear quit and no background. You can choose, and showing some like screen type. There's a working fully and not, and in my case there's a working quite better. Okay, let's create the container. You click the plus icon, and I provide this name. It's GTA 5, and yes, GTA 5 is be good. And then next, there's a second option is screen size. If you can 80, 54 and 480, there's a good, and for low end device. And the wine version, let it remain as it is, and move to a graphic driver. They select a wrapper, and Vulkan version choose a 1.3, and okay, and we will go to a DX wrapper and click in DXVX and VK3D version, and go to a setting, and there is a DXVX version 1.10.3. there is good for Mali GPU, and my device also a Mali GPU. And you go to audio driver, pulse audio. You can also choose a show FPS, but there's already in game, they don't click it. And we will go to win components. Let's remain it, and the setting as it is, and we will go to our drives. We'll go to advanced setting and choose a box 64 version 0.3.7, and select a box 64% as a performance. And startup selection, we will go to aggressive, and there's a process infinitive and process infinitive 32-bit apps. You can all CPU will be select, and click the check. And there's a process for creating a container. There's a little bit time, and you can open a container. you can go to start menu and select a system tools and go to a wine configuration and go to a library and there's a select you a d input build native and we'll go to edit and native then build. If you complete this setting there's a more stable on Android if you play a GTA 5. Okay, that will be done. Okay, then our GTA file will be launched and there's a some time little bit and there's a, you see opti project and some allowance on property compile shaders during the process and it's complete normally and there's a process is complete and you can run easily without any issue. But if you thought how to run how to run this game in a 15 GB, I don't understand and also you don't understand, then which particular thing reduce in ultra light GTA 5. Firstly, there is a no mission. If you go to environment and select the mission and there's a no mission in this ultra light, and if you seeing some graphics there's so much reduce in a graphic and also much thing in reduce also. I'm not complete this full game, but in my opinion the game is not completed yet. There's only you can do it. You can run a vehicles, you can walk in some maps and you can bully some strangers. That's all. Does not include some GTA 5 feature. The developer remove some important parts. My recommendation, if you feel the GTA 5 in your Android, in your low end device, then go for it. But if you play a real GTA 5, you have a good device and you can play it. Okay, that's today video. If you videos like this, then like it and subscribe it, and also in the end left right video you can see, just go and watch. Then take care, bye bye.